The universe was created from man. That is a bold statement, and yet leading astrophysicists recognize that everything is so fine-tuned for man to function. In fact, the mass of the human body is precisely related to the mass of a single atom and the mass of the globe as a whole. Something is going on. We recognize that at our solar system and its placement in the Milky Way galaxy, we're at a very fortunate place, so that if we were closer to the interior of our galaxy, we would have no idea where we were in space. Or if we were farther out than the arm of Orion, then we would have no idea where we were in space. But we're at exactly the right place, the loop of Orion and the arm of Pegasus, so that we have stars in the distance of our own galaxy, stars toward the center of the galaxy, our Milky Way galaxy. Thus we have parallax so that we know precisely where we are. And we're able to function and calculate these dimensions. In addition to that, Dr. Hutra, working with Johns Hopkins Physics Laboratory, determined that beyond our position in space, there are 7 tiers of star bodies. You go out in space and there's an entire web, a tier, a shell of galaxies. You go farther in space, very few, and then you meet another tier, another complete bubble layer, and then another, 7 altogether. I wonder why 7? There are dimensions here. There are 7 dimensions to your life. There are 7s written throughout the experience of man and 7s written throughout the experience and observations of the universe, such as the gestation of mammals. We are incubated in a situation that is incredibly favorable to who we are and where we are. Is this verified by scientific pursuit? Yes. Harvard-educated astrophysicist John A. O'Keefe of NASA recently wrote, "If the universe had not been made with the most exacting precision, we could never have come into existence. It is my view that these circumstances indicate the universe was created for man to live in." In fact, physicist philosopher Robin Collins stated, "Gravity is fine-tuned to 1 part in 100 million, billion, 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 billion. Something is going on." Michael Denton, not a creationist by any means, but a world-class scholar, demonstrated that evolution is bankrupt when it comes to calculating how we got here and the background support system for sustaining us. He cited the technical literature demonstrating that to move a finger, it requires the gravitational mass and activities of the most distant galaxies for us to be balanced and able to move a finger precisely with the smallest amount of effort. It's also been calculated that the mass of the proton is so specific that if it were increased just by 0.03%, the universe would fall apart in 8 minutes. Why is that statement made? Because there are neutrinos with a particular mass that disintegrate. They're subatomic particles that disintegrate within the framework of 8 minutes. It looks like the entire universe was designed with you in mind.